This video, I'll be taking you through how to design a process report showing the influent and effluent BOD and TSS, kind of get a long-term trend analysis of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Design, Spread Reports. Got my report builder pulled up here. I put my cursor where I want my data to start. Let's say it's there. And I'm going to go in here and use Locate. And in this case, I want to do a group summary for multiple variables. So what I want to do is group the data by month and show like monthly averages for these parameters. So I go ahead and I click Add. I'm going to go into Influent. I'm going to add BOD, TSS into the report. And I'm going to click Add again, go to Effluent and do the same thing. Get my BOD and TSS from my effluent. I got those 4 parameters. I can obviously do more parameters. In this case, again, I'm going to say I want to get the average. And let's say we want to do up to 12 months. So I'm going to get the 12 monthly averages. I want to place a symbol with the statistic if it does exist. If I've got any data qualifiers. So go ahead. Oh, and I also want to place the date of the for each month on this report. So this is going to build a table of data for me. I'm going to go back and say, let's just run this year to date. So it's June of 24, so I don't have any data in the future, but it shows me that. So now I'm going to build my titles up. This is it tells me what parameter is located here. This is my influent BOD. Type in influent here, BOD, TSS, then the same thing here, effluent, this. Now what I want to do is format this. So what I do is I highlight it. I'm going to do format as table. Just choose this one here. Builds a slightly better looking report for me. I can obviously change the font size and do some other things. The next thing I want to do is, let's say, locate a graph into here. So I want to show this data both also on a graph. So I merge my cells together of where I want the graph to exist. And then what I do is click on the cell and I go to locate graph, a save line graph. So I've already designed a graph that looks like this. Screen here, choose my graph. It's putting on my other monitor, so I'll bring it over here. It's called my influent effluent BOD graph. Click OK. I'm just going to show it for the report date. So this is going to show this graph for year to date. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And that graph gets placed into my report. Now I can go ahead and save this, call it my BOD TSS study. And I can put it into a group to organize it. In this case, I'll just leave it in the default group. And I've designed a nice looking report. Again, I could go in here and say I want to run it for last year. And now, because I published it, it's available to all other users. Again, you can spend more time formatting in this, but this is just an example of kind of how quickly and easily you can design some nice looking reports and get at your data very easily. That's it. Thank you.